Hello friends, I'm back here today with a smartwatch. Comes from Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 Active for 6M. This is a product from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a Chinese company. Was established in 2010. Is a private electronics company. Just 5 years after its establishment, the company has the 5th largest market share in the world and ranked first in the market share. In 2015, Xiaomi not only achieved achievements like phones, but it can be achieved in other platforms such as tablets, laptop, TV, backup charger, smartwatch, smart bracelet. It is also developing very well, helping Xiaomi have a certain position in the market. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 product is designed in a quite modern style. Both men and women wear it beautifully. Xiaomi smartwatch integrates many features from health to sports, so that users can take care of their bodies in the most scientific and effective way. This one is designed to be square and empty, surrounded by metal. On the surface, Xiaomi Redmi. The Watch 3 Active doesn't have much else. Different from the Redmi series, Watch 3 was launched earlier. The watch face is designed in a rectangular shape, with 4 square corners. Extremely delicate, the frame is made of plastic, covered with luxurious metal plating. Weight, lightweight, comfortable to wear. The right edge of the watch face is equipped with a button. Helps me quickly access the menu or return to the main screen. Smartwatches use very elastic silicone straps, soft surface, and good waterproofing. One thing I like about this watch is the clasp, very neat. You can customize the wrist size to suit a variety of people. Behind the watch is the battery charger and sensor. According to my personal feeling, the sensor protrudes a bit too much. If you tighten the string tightly, it will create a feeling of marks on your hand, so we need to adjust the width just enough to be comfortable while playing sports or doing some suitable work. Smartwatches have a screens up to 1.83 inches. Creates a fair large display space. Its resolution is 240 by 280 pixel. Provide clear content. Using an LCD panel with a resolution of 450 nit. The display is very good when you are outdoors with high brightness. This device does not support always-on display. Instead, there will be a wrist lift feature to light up the screen. Touch the screen to turn it off. This product is equipped with more than 200 clock face. You can connect to the application to change according to your needs. This is a positioning feature to measure distance from sports like jogging, cycling. The watch will now monitor comprehensive health. Supports measuring blood oxygen concentration, SpO2. Monitor high or low heart rate readings. Sleep tracking. Track your menstrual cycle, thanks to advanced sensors. Possessing more than 100 Modesto support exercise and sports, including 10 professional sports modes. Cycling, jogging outdoors, climbing, long walk. The product supports standard waterproofing 5ATM, so you love taking a bath or swimming without worrying about affecting the machine. The watch will have one more cool feature, that is, every time you come into contact with water, please turn on the water push feature. Walking mode will record calories, measure steps, and average speed. The watch will support you to receive calls via Bluetooth. Can also connect to Phoenizios or Android. The watch is equipped with a speaker and mic high quality. Then when connecting to iOS can receive calls. We can receive calls via SIM or via third application. As for Android, it only supports via SIM, but does not support third-party applications. Xiaomi Active supports large battery life for many days. Battery capacity is about 289 mAh. With the above battery capacity, it can be used approximately 12 days in basic mode and 8 days at high intensity. I have fully charged the battery and the brightness is about right. 50 to 60%. Workout 2 times a day. 30 minutes each time. Then on the 6th day, I have to charge it again. And it's full within 2 hours of charging. You can take it to participate in many activities without having to worry about the battery. You can fine-tune through the app. Most metrics will show up in the app.